defense. In fact, Your Honor, according to our laws, even if we do not present evidence, if they do not overcome that threshold, Your Honor, then we believe that our client is entitled to.
So, ang sagot po nyo, and this is my final question, presiding officer, ang sagot po nyo, kailangan i-prove ng prosecution na merong hitman. And you're not denying that the Vice President spoke to a hitman.
No, we are denying that, Your Honor. It's just that was our presentation in our answer.
Okay, so for the record, you are denying that the Vice President actually spoke to a hitman na, in fact, ang sabi nga ni Attorney Lotoc, hindi siya nagsisinungaling.
Yes,
Sinasabi nyo, actually, nagsinungaling siya at wala siyang kinausap na hitman. Yan
Yes.
pong sinasabi ninyo.
Yes, Your Honor. I don't know what's the frame of...
Nalito na. Di ba, ultimo yung abogado nila nalito na. Pinaikot-ikot ni Bamakino. Wawa. Nahirap talaga pagtakpan pag ang kasinungalingan. Di ba? Di ba? Pag sinungaling, mahirap talagang pagtakpan.
Senator Judge, is counsel for the prosecutors done? Attorney Ligutan, are you done?
Yes, Your Honor.
You're done? Before cross-examination, Chair would like to recognize, with the permission of Senator Judge JV, Senator Judge Bam Aquino had earlier sought recognition. Chair will recognize him first, thereafter Senator Judge Tulfo Erwin, thereafter Senator Judge Ejercito, and then Senator Judge Ontiveros. Senator Judge Aquino is recognized. You have 2 minutes, sir.
Yes, maraming salamat, Mr. Presiding Officer. Attorney Lotoc,
Yes,
meron pa
Your Honor.
po bang ibang grupo sa NBI ang nag-imbestiga doon po sa mga utterances ni Vice President Sara Duterte noong November 23 to 24?
During our time, insofar as the Cybercrime Division is concerned, yung Cybercrime Division, Your Honor, and the team that was yung binuo ni former Judge, Director Judge.
So kayo lang po?
At that time, sir, hindi ko na po alam ngayon kung sino yung mga team na, kasi nalipat na po ako sa ibang region, sir.
Okay. Yung tanong ko po kasi ay nakatukoy dun sa taong nakausap o sinasabing na kontrata ni Vice President Sara Duterte para patayin yung Presidente, First Lady at former Speaker. So tinuloy niyo po ba yung investigasyon para mahanap ang taong ito?
Well, aside from the fact, Your Honor, na nag-issue kami ng subpoena sa Vice President para makakuha ng information, kasi we need a validated information, we need a confirmed information. Nung inissuean namin ng subpoena yung mga media personalities, bawat isa sa kanila na nag-appear, tinanong din po namin.
Oh, dapat lahat pinwersa ninyo. Especially yung princess na yon, Maui na yon. Yan ang dapat ipasupina dyan. Kasi siya yung nagtanong eh. Diba? Siya dapat yung siya yung pasupina dyan.
Nandun ka ba nung sinabi ito ng Vice Presidente?
Hindi ko po tinatanong kung sinabi ba to o hindi. Dahil may witness rin po tayo nung nakaraang linggo na nasabi nga ito at napanood naman ho natin ito lahat. Ang tanong ko, tinuloy nyo ba yung investigasyon para matukoy ang taong ito?
Nagtanong kami, Your Honor. We tried to elicit information both from those people who have personal knowledge during the online press conference. Unfortunately, wala kami ma-establish na validated information na confirm. So, in fact, hanggang ngayon, nag-aantay po kami. Hindi ho katulad dito sa nangyari, may apparent commission of the crime dahil nandiyan yung video eh.
So ang ibig niyo pong sabihin, bilang NBI, hindi niyo nahanap yung taong ito, pero literal niyo tong, sabi niyo, literal itong pag-assess niyo dun sa statement dahil ito mismo yung nasabi ng Vice President.
Well, Your Honor, if the second highest official of the land sinabi yan, it's hindi ho biro yan. Medyo mabigat ho yan at yung pagkasabi pa niya na may kasamang galit at mga pagmumura. So we took it very serious, Your Honor.
Alright, I have a question for the defense. Sa lahat ng mga sagot ninyo, Attorney Vinluan, parang hindi ko nakita na tinanggi ng inyong kliyente o ng depensa
Eto.
na may nakausap ang Vice Presidente na tao para gawin yung mga bagay na ito.
Oh.
Tama ba? Wala ito sa mga sagot ninyo?
Hmm.
We deny that, Your Honor.
You
And
deny?
that is not accurate, Your Honor, and we will present
Dito, ginisa, no, netong si Senator Bam Aquino. Magandang observation to, no? Actually, hindi natin alam kasi hindi naman natin hawak yung mga dokumento eh. Pero good question to coming from Senator Bam Aquino. No, kung parang hindi raw nila nabasa na hindi dininay no, ni Sara Duterte yung pagbabanta sa Pangulong Bongbong Marcos kay First Lady Lisa at kay Martin Romualdez. Diba? So, pakinggan natin yung sagot dito ng depensa.
evidence or counter evidence. To prove
Okay.
that.
So let me clarify. Sa lahat ng sagot ninyo so far, hindi pa nyo tinatanggi ito, pero in your time presenting evidence, you will deny that there was a person contracted by the Vice President.
Your Honor, to clarify, I don't understand, Your Honor, when we were asked, but
In your
because
answer, you have an answer. There is an impeachment.
we
complaint.
denied it, Your Honor. We denied it in our answer, which we filed before the Senate impeachment court.
You denied it in your answer?
Correct, Your Honor.
If I remember correctly, ang nabanggit doon ay freedom of expression.
Oh.
Was there an exact statement there?
Ayan, durog, wasak. Paikutin nyo pa si Senator Bam, ha? Kala nyo, kaya nyo paikutin yan, ha? O, matalino yan. Hindi nyo kaya yan. Tropa ko yan, eh. Tropa ko yan si Bam Aquino. Taga-Tarlac yan, eh. Tropa yan.
Na hindi totoo na meron ngang kinontrata ang Vice Presidente o kinausap ang Vice Presidente para gawin ito?
We maintain our position that we denied it, Your Honor.
Oh.
Okay.
It is there in our answer.
Mr. President, I don't want to take up time but I do
Pero wala kayong nilagay sa dokumento. Oh. So inaamin ninyo, guilty si Sara. Game over na, guilty na. Wala eh. Hindi nyo dininay eh, inaamin nyo.
wanna check the official records and look for this because I don't remember seeing that in any of your answers, Mr.
Your Honor, all allegations were denied.
It's a general denial. A blanket denial.
Blanket denial. Diba? Durog. Basag na naman. Diba? Kasi hindi nila dininay eh. Sabi nga sa inyo mga babayan, ang gagawin lang ng mga yan, ng mga abogado ng depensa, no, te-technicalin lang nila, hindi nila i-deny yan. No? Kasi pag dininay nila, mga babayan, parang inaccept nila na totoo yung sinasabi ni Sara Duterte. Diba? Na mayroon talagang ganong nangyari. Kapag dininay nila yan, parang sinabi nila, na parang itinanggi nila, o parang ano ba yung, ano doon? Parang pinatunayan nila na totoong nangyari po yung Zoom meeting na yon. Diba? Ganun yon. Dinideny nila na may sinabi si Sara Duterte pero hindi nila madideny na nangyari talaga yung Zoom meeting na yon. Wala silang kawala dyan. Eh. Diba? Kahit yan nila paikutin, general denial na lang magagawa nila, blanket denial. Di ba? Ganun mangyayari dyan.
There
Isahang denial na lang, ganun.
were, that was the general denial, and there were also specific denials.
Okay,
No.
we'll take a look, Mr. Presiding Officer. Hanapin natin to with, and if I may come back to this once we take a look at the records, Mr. Presiding Officer.
This is a typographical
Thank you so much.
error from his point of view. Senator Judge Bam Aquino.
Yes,
Then we proceed to cross.
Maraming salamat, Mr. Presiding Officer. So ito po yung continuation po ito nung tanong ko kanina tungkol sa general denial tsaka specific denial. Pero bago yon, Attorney Venluan, let me ask Attorney Lotok. Kanina po, tinanong kayo kung bakit nyo tinuloy yung kaso, no? Why you continued with filing. Sabi niyo po kanina, hindi naman siguro siya magsisinungaling. Siya meaning the Vice President. Could you just quickly tell me, what do you mean by that? Hindi naman siguro siya magsisinungaling.
Well, the surrounding circumstances, Your Honor, at that time, yung atmosphere, sabi ko nga, galit na galit siya at madiin yung kanyang mga binitawang salita. At ito ay nagugat pa sa mga naunang event. So doon, nung winika niya na wag kang mag-alala ma'am, sapagkat sa security ko, sapagkat may kinausap na akong tao. From the point of view of the NBI, we believe that...
So you took it as truth.
Yes.
Okay. In succeeding interviews, I'm sure nag-imbestiga ka, meron bang pagtanggi dito sa pagkausap sa isang tao na papatay kung may mangyari kay Vice President Duterte? Meron ba kayong napanood o naimbestiga na pagtanggi nito in the succeeding interviews?
Yes, Your Honor. I think there was a video dated November 26, 2024. Doon sa video na yon, instead na i-deny niya yung nangyari noong November 23, ni-reiterate pa ho niya, Your Honor, in-admit po niya na indeed may kinausap siyang tao.
So inulit pa, kumbaga.
Opo.
Okay. So
inulit niya
let
pa
me
yan
repeat my question to the defense. No? So far, wala pang actual statement si Vice President Duterte na tinatanggi itong pagkausap sa isang hitman. And for the benefit of the public, magkaiba ho kasi yung general denial sa specific denial. No? Ang general denial, hindi ko ginawa yan. Wala akong kasalanan. No? Yung specific denial, hindi ko ginawa ito mismong mga bagay-bagay na ito. Hindi ko yung nakita sa sagot ng depensa. So I asked the defense, is there a denial that the Vice President actually spoke to a person to contract, spoke to a person to kill, the individuals that we're talking about, Attorney Vinluan? Sabi niyo meron.
Your Honor,
Could you point us to where it is in your answer?
Your Honor, I just want to clarify because specific denial is a legal term. So in other words, we just want, in order to satisfy the query of Senator Judge Aquino, we will give him a copy of our answer, and we highlighted certain portions thereof, particularly paragraph 3 and paragraph 197 for his
Can you
perusal.
read both paragraphs, please? Because I've also read kami dito, binabasa naman namin yung mga sagot ninyo at siniseryoso namin yan, no? So can you read the two, please?
It reads, the rest of the allegations in the articles, including the supposed evidence attached therein, are specifically denied for being false, misleading, impertinent, mere conclusions of fact and law, and subject to the affirmative allegations and special and affirmative defenses below. And then
That's Article 3.
Paragraph 3. Your
That's
Honor.
paragraph 3. So the rest, no, itong mga iba. Okay, paragraph 197.
197. It says there, finally, no such purpose contemplated by law was attained or could have been attained precisely because the respondent did not have any purpose other than simply answer a speculative inquiry. So that is our position on the matter.
So your position is that is enough of a specific denial to the allegation na may kinausap na hitman si Vice President Sara.
Yes, Your Honor, because we discussed in our answer that the presumption never shifts. It is in light of our discussion that it is the burden of the prosecution to prove their claim, considering that according to our laws, he who alleges must prove. And so we just presented our arguments accordingly, Your Honor.
Okay. So I'm sure, attorney, sa inyong summation, you will argue this, that the burden of evidence has shifted. Pero hindi nyo po na take into account na ito mismo'y galing sa Vice President natin.
Your Honor, to clarify, the burden of proof is with the prosecution and not with the defense. In fact, Your Honor, according to our laws, even if we do not present evidence, if they do not overcome that threshold, Your Honor, then we believe that our client is
Okay.
entitled to.
So ang sagot po nyo, and this is my final question, presiding officer, ang sagot po nyo, kailangan i-prove ng prosecution na merong hitman. And you're not denying that the Vice President spoke to a hitman.
No, we are denying that, Your Honor. It's just that was our presentation in our answer.
Okay, so for the record, you are denying that the Vice President actually spoke to a hitman na, in fact, ang sabi nga ni Attorney Lotok, hindi siya nagsisinungaling.
Yes.
Sinasabi nyo, actually, nagsinungaling siya at wala siyang kinausap na hitman. Yan
Yes.
pong sinasabi ninyo.
Yes, Your Honor. I don't know what's the frame of...
Nalito na. Di ba, ultimo yung abogado nila nalito na. Pinaikot-ikot ni Bam Aquino. Wawa. Nahirap talaga pagtakpan pag ang kasinungalingan. Di ba? Di ba? Pag sinungaling, mahirap talagang pagtakpan.
mind of Attorney Lotok, but that is our answer, Your Honor.
Okay.
That she denied.
Maraming salamat, Attorney. Thank you.
Your Honor,
Thank you, Senator Judge Aquino. Senator Judge Zubiri is recognized. You have 2 minutes, sir.
Thank you very much, Mr. Presiding Officer. Just want to go to the line of questioning continue the line of questioning of Senator Bam Aquino to the prosecution, Attorney Villuan. So there is
Defense,
not,
Your Honor.
yes, I'm
Defense.
sorry, defense. My apologies, Attorney Villuan. Has been no in any instance that the Vice President had come out on TV or radio saying that hindi, joke only, nagkamali ako,
Diba?
ano lang to, nagbobo. Kasi si Tatay Digong nung araw, sinasabi niya yun eh. So, papatayin ko siya. Tapos mamaya, joke only yan. Nagloloko lang ako. Parang ganun. So, at no particular point in time, has she issued a denial that she said these statements? Aside from what you submitted to this court as a blanket denial.
there is, Your Honor, and we just reserve our right to present that evidence at the proper time as well, Your Honor.
Okay, so there's a video or recording that was done maybe a month or during the period of time that she had mentioned this, that she was denying, because we'd like to see that as well. That would weigh in heavily on our decision because kung ngayon lang po nagpalabas ang depensa ng denial, parang after the fact na kasi nagkaroon na po tayo ng impeachment trial. We'd like to see that if you have that kind of evidence.
We will provide, Your Honor.
Thank you very much, Mr. President.